Our neighborhood was not, it was considered a Jewish neighborhood, but that meant that there were only maybe 3 or 4 Jewish families that lived in it. It grew, like I said, Washington was very southern, and part of it was that it was segregated, and part of it you knew that when you went to school, you stayed low key, you behaved, and you did your schoolwork, and you did not call attention to yourself because you always sort of felt you were slightly on sufferance, being Jewish, and I don't think that people understand that as much now. And we had this close connection with the African American community because it was similar for them. And it was similar for them in a lot of different ways, but they also were like our support system too in some ways. And that's why there were many of them that knew Yiddish.